Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete saved collections on TikTok. So if you got too many saved collections cluttering your TikTok and want to delete or organize them but don't know how, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily delete saved collections on TikTok in just a few steps. So here, you can just first launch your TikTok application, and then you can just go to your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then here click on the bookmark save icon, this one's right here, and here you can just tap on the collections tab. So as you guys can see, I have one collection, save collections on my TikTok. So here you can just open it. As you guys can see, when you open the collection, there's no delete or remove options here. So if you want to delete, let's say you want to delete only one of or two videos from the save collection, you can just tap on manage videos and you can choose the videos that you want to delete and tap on remove. But then if you want to delete the entire collections, you can just here tap on the share button at the top right corner, this arrow right here. And here there will be the options to delete the collections at the bottom. Tap on that and then confirm by tapping delete. So just like that, the collection has been deleted. And what happens when you delete a collection? So the collection will be removed, but the saved videos inside it will still remain in your favorites in here, favorite posts. And if you want to delete saved videos, you can just go to specific videos and manually remove them. So if you just want to remove video from a collection instead of deleting the entire collection, you can just remove from the collection or remove from the favorite post in here. And so that's all for me. I hope this simple TikTok tutorial will be helpful for you. With this simple guide, you can keep your saved videos neat and organized in just a second. So if you like it, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. And if you think this helped, you can let me know in the comments. And don't forget to click on the like and tap on the thanks button below. And if you have suggestion on more TikTok tutorials, you can leave a comment down below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!